In the realm of addiction recovery, the battleground is often not just in the physical world, but also within our own minds. Irrational beliefs are distorted, self-sabotaging thoughts that can contribute to the cycle of addictive behaviors. The DIBs tool is designed to dismantle these harmful thought patterns by, first, try identifying the irrational beliefs that lurk in your thinking. These beliefs could be about oneself, other people, or expectations of what life should be like. Next, try to understand how these irrational beliefs are directly fueling the addictive behavior. For example, if you dislike boredom, you may be more likely to engage in the addictive behavior as a coping mechanism. Now it's time to challenge the validity of these beliefs and consider the evidence for and against them so you can see them from a more rational perspective. Finally, replace the old belief with a rational new one that is realistic, flexible, and contributes to a sustainable recovery and balanced life. The DIBs tool is not just a technique, it's a paradigm shift. By continually practicing DIBs, you learn to automatically challenge negative thought patterns, leading to profound changes in your mindset and behavior. Learn more at smartrecovery.org.